A perfect water scene in early spring. The energy of the water. I love these ledges through this gorge. I'm actually near Sturmit-St-Newton, and what I've done is a walk at the top of Blue Hill, and it takes you across to Broadoak. This is rustic North Dorset, but we've come out of the Blackmore Vale and we've found this gorgeous stream. It runs all the way through the valley. This is the perfect scene to paint. If I do a waterscape, wet in wet. Just taking this in. It's a new area for me. The other side of the Blackmore Vale. I shall keep coming back here. It runs all the way down through. I mean, I could be anywhere. And it's amazing that you have these places in Dorset, which is so diverse. And soon all the bluebells will be out. It will be covered in blue, and that's what I might end up doing. I might end up doing a bluebell waterscape scene. You see the steps over there? That's where you end up walking up there and up to Broadoak. This is idyllicness in North Dorset.